Hello, my dear friends, my dear students, my brothers and sisters. Today's lesson where we come across questions. A child while growing starts learning the world, knowing the world by asking what, when, how, where, who, why. So friends, these are the fundamental questions. We start with the conversation in order to know the situation, in order to know the world. Like a child, let us also follow the same steps, similar steps, friends. The questions, fundamentally the questions. Let us start with the first question, what? What, when, how, where, who, why? These are the fundamental questions. What in Tamil, friends, it is enna. What is your name? Unga per enna. The what is enna. What is this? Idu enna. What is that? Adi enna. What is this? Idu enna. That is what. First question is what. Then when. When in Tamil it is eppo. Eppo. When is your train? Unga train eppo. When is your exam? Unga exam eppo. Unga pariksha eppo. That is when is eppo. However, in literally it is eppoludhu. Eppoludhu. However, while speaking, we simply say eppo. Eppo unga exam. Eppo unga bus. Eppo unga train. Okay. Then how? How, when we meet a person as a courtesy, we say, how are you? How means eppadi. Neenga eppadi irukkiringa. Neenga eppadi irukkiringa. That is, how are you? Unga kolanda eppadi irukkudu. How is your child? How is your father? Unga appa eppadi irukanga. Unga amma eppadi irukanga. Okay, friends, then that means how means eppadi. Then where? Where are you? Nee enga? Neenga enga? The where means enge. Where are you from? Neenga enga irundu? Unga oor enna? Where are you from? Where? En pen enga? Where is my pen? En pena enga? Okay, friends, that is where, enge. Who? Somebody is knocking your door. Somebody is ringing the bell. So you would like to know, yaar idu? Yaar? Yaar idu? Yaar adu? That means who. Who means yaar. Who is the person? Who is your headmaster? Who is your principal? Who is the district collector? Okay, friend, this is who, yaar. Then why? Why are you laughing? Nee. Yen sirikira. Laughing sirikira. Nee, you, laughing, sirikira. Oi, yen, yen. Why are you crying? Nee yen alugira. Why are you angry? Why are you sad? Nee yen, yen. It is a question we would like to know. When, yen. Why are you late? Why are you laughing? Why are you smiling? Okay, friends. So fundamentally, what, enna, when, eppo, how, eppadi, where, enge, who, yaar, why, yen. So these are the questions fundamentally we use wherever, whenever we make any conversation. These are the fundamental things we start conversing. Okay, friends, I hope you understand. Things are clear. If you do not, kindly comment and let me know where it is not clear. I shall clarify. Your satisfaction, your learning is my motto. Okay, friends, wish you all the best. Happy learning.